Welcome back to my channel. I'm Angel. For today, I'm going to show you how you can sew your own face mask. Let's go! First, you're going to need a pattern. Here's the pattern size for adults. And here's for kids. And then you're going to need 4 square fabrics. The size that I made is 6 by 5, just to make sure that you'll have enough seam allowance. I always use cotton fabric for my face mask. Then you have to place both the fabrics right sides together, then pin it in place. Notice that the fabric is bigger than the pattern for the seam allowance. Then, you just have to sew them in place. Alright, as easy as that. And if you do not have a sewing machine, you can also hand sew it. Next, cut the fabric according to the pattern. You just have to leave 1/4 of an inch for the seam allowance. Then we just have to snip, 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 so that once we put them together, we won't have a hard time. Then turn the other fabric inside out. Then we're going to place them together. Now let's sew them in place. It's pressing time. Now we're going to fold the side where we're going to attach the garter at least 1/4 of an inch. Then press it again. Then prepare your elastics. Mine is 7 inches. It really depends on your preference. Now let's attach the elastics. Then pin them in place first before sewing. Alright, it's done! I hope you found it easy to make. Thank you all for watching. See you again next time. And please watch out for more tutorials and reviews. Don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification button if you haven't already. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.